Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into Google and confirming location and web and app activity are on. This improves relevance. Next, open Google Maps and tap the search box to keep momentum. Type the business type plus city or neighborhood, for example, coffee shop Midtown, then press enter. By starting here, you target the database immediately rather than tweaking settings later. Once done, scan the results list on the left or bottom to see pins, populate on the map, and prepare to refine. Once you see an initial set of businesses, refine using filters. Tap Open Now, set rating to 4+ or choose price level to match budget. Then zoom and drag the map to focus the search area, or on desktop use the Draw a Shape tool to precisely select a neighborhood. Make sure to sort by distance when time matters or relevance when quality matters. As you narrow, click Listings to view photos, hours, contact info, and recent reviews so you can compare before making contact. To complete the task, choose a listing and use call, website, or directions to act immediately. Save favorites to a list for quick access. If business info is incorrect, tap Suggest and Edit or claim the listing to update hours or contact details. This improves accuracy for everyone. If you get too few results, clear restrictive filters, verify your location permission, or broaden keywords. For example, switch from boutique to clothing store, and retry to recover missing options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.